Hello students. So this is the first video for my 12th grade students. Yeah. So today what I'm going to start with is application of derivative. Yeah, it's a difficult topic. Some questions are quite confusing. So I'm starting with this topic. So let's begin with the question. Show that the altitude of the right circular cone of maximum volume that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius r is 4r by 3 or 4 by 3r. So we have a sphere and in that sphere we have a cone. Maximum value volume होना चाहिए उस cone का. So let's draw the figure first. A cone with maximum volume. Okay, let me name it A, B, C. That's the center of the sphere. Let's mark it. This line. This is the right circular cone. So make it like that. Yeah. So join OB, join OC. So I'll say let capital R and small h are the radius and height of the cone. Small r is already given the sphere radius, so r is the radius of sphere. So I'm taking capital R for cone. So small r is the radius of sphere. So over here, this DC is capital R, this is small r, this is also small r, and this AD is how much? Capital H. Yeah. So AD is what? H, and AD is also what? AO plus OD. AO is R. So from here I can say that OD is H minus R. Why I am calculating it? Because I need it here. I will be representing the radius of this cone in terms of height of the cone and radius of the sphere. Okay. So in triangle ODC, right angle triangle, we have OC square equals to OD square plus DC square. What is OC? R square, small r square. OD I just calculated H minus R whole square. DC is capital R square. Open it up using the identity. So a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, r square, small r square both side I can cancel it up. So from here I can say r square, the radius of the cone is 2hr minus h square. Fine. Now I'll use it in the volume formula of cone. So volume of cone we know is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So instead of r square, I'll put 2hr minus h square into h multiply, let's 2h square r minus h cube, that is the volume. Now let's differentiate it with respect to the height or the altitude. So what will I get? It will be 4hr minus 3h square. For maximum volume, we equate dv by dh equals to 0. So when we do that, what will I get? 1 by 3 pi 4hr minus 3h square equals to 0. So from here you will have 4hr equals to 3h square. H cancels out, 4 by 3 r is h. You got. Yeah. Now find out the second derivative just to check if it is maximum or no. So second derivative is of this thing is how much? 4r, not h, sorry. 4r minus 6h. Okay. And this is together is 1 by 3 pi. Now put the value of h as 4 by 3r and let's see what you will get. 4r minus 6 into 4 by 3r into this pi by 3. So 4r minus 8r is 4r. So this is coming minus 4 pi r by 3, which is less than 0. Yeah. So volume is maximum. Volume of cone is maximum at h equals to 4 by 3r. Done. Now the question is done. They only said this thing, but sometimes they'll say find out the volume also. Yeah. When they say find out the volume also, so first find out the value of r square from here. So I'll just do it over here only. So r square is 2hr minus h square. I got h as what? 4 by 3 r square हो गया ये minus 4 by 3 r whole square. So what you will get? 8 by 3 r square minus 16 by 9 r square. LCM 9 3, so 24 r square minus 16 r square. If I'm not wrong, cross check. 3, yeah, 8 3s are 24. 24 minus 16 is how much? 8 r square by 9. Okay, so I got the value of the capital R square in terms of small r square, and h I already have. So volume. So volume formula tha 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square क्या आया था अभी? Let us cross check. I got r square as 8 by 9. This was what? 8 by 9 r square. H is 4 by 3 r. So what's the value I'm getting over here? Nothing is being cancelled. So 32, 9 nines are 80 by 81 pi r cube. That is the volume of the cone coming out to be, which is there in a sphere. I hope this is clear. Yeah. Now we begin with the next question. So if you see in the next question, it's almost similar, but the cone is replaced by a cylinder. Show that the height of a cylinder of maximum volume that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius r is this much. Also find the maximum volume. So now here also we have a sphere. Okay, it's almost similar to the previous question, only the figures are changed. Now you need to get a cylinder here instead of a cone. So I have a cylinder inside a sphere. So if you see over here, height of the cylinder, I'll take it as h. Let me name it as A, B, C, D. If you check this thing, this is diameter, which I can take it as 2r. Okay, यहाँ पे they have taken the radius of the sphere as capital R. Yeah, so this, if you join AC, it's the diameter of the sphere. So I can take it as the diameter of sphere, which is 2 capital R. Okay, so let's talk over here. Let's say let h comma r are the height or altitude and radius of cylinder. Fine. Capital R is the radius of sphere. Fine. Now from here, I have this as a right angle triangle. In triangle ABC, what do I have? AC square equals to BC square plus AB square. What is AC? This is 2R whole square is equals to BC is how much? H square, and how much is AB? 2R whole square. Okay. So from here, what am I getting? I'm getting 4R square is equals to H square plus 4R square. Now again, same thing I'll do. I'll take this radius, the radius of cylinder in terms of radius of sphere. Yeah. So from here, I'll say R square is 4R square minus H square, and by 1 by 4, this 4 is also there. Okay. I just did transposition. Now volume of cylinder formula is what? Pi R square H. Yes. R square, what I wrote? 1 by 4, 4R square minus H square into H. This is V, not D, sorry. Again, I have to do the dV by dt wala part. So it's pi by 4, 4R square H minus H cube. So let's do dV by dH. What will I get over here? That's pi by 4. And this part, it is 4R square only minus 3H square. Okay. Now for maximum volume again, for maximum volume, I have to put this equals to 0. So dV by dH should be equals to 0. So what will you have? 4R square minus 3H square is 0. And what are you getting from here? From here you are getting 4R square is equals to 3H square. Yeah. And from here H square is equals to 4 by 3R square, which is how much? H is equals to 2R by root 3. I think this is what we have to do. Yeah. 4 2R by root 3. Yeah, this we got. Yes. Now let's calculate the double derivative also. Double derivative of this will be what? It's pi by 4. That's a constant. It's minus 6h. This is a negative value. Yes, which is less than 0. So you have maximum volume of cylinder is there at h equals to 2r by root 3. Okay, you can calculate the volume also now. You just have to put the value r square in terms of that also. What was that? R square was this thing. You have to substitute the value and solve. Okay, so I hope this part now you can complete on your own, and you will get, after putting the volume as how much, you should get your volume as 4 pi r cube by 3 root 3. Okay, so I hope this is clear, students. So please practice these questions and then you will understand it fine. Okay, then I'll come up with more videos. Thank you for watching it. Bye till then.